Squawk. He likes you. What are you two chatting about? Hello. That's funny, huh? Woo, peekaboo. Boo.
Oh my God. Good job, buddy.
Hello. Hi, baby.
Peekaboo. Oh, good baby. Oh my gosh, he is just sitting up there. You got yourself a singing hat, buddy. Do you like that, huh? He's calling you. You're the cutest bear.
Look at all the parrots.
They're circling you, buddy.
Hi, Ducky.
Oh, here comes the big one.
That is the cutest parade ever.
Pretty?
We got you. You're so funny, Kiwi. You two are too cute. Best friends already.
Singing to him.
Hello.
Hello. Dada. Woo.
Oh, that's so sweet. Gentle, gentle. Good buddy.
He wants to see it too. You two are just cracking him up. He doesn't know what to think.
That was a big laugh.
He likes you, buddy.
Pretty bird.
Oh my goodness. Gentle touches.
Look at that smile. Hello. Here, he's talking to you.
Oh my gosh, that's so cute.
Gentle, buddy. Gentle. They like each other. Look at that.
Look who's coming to see you. He wants a kiss. Aw, so gentle.
That's sweet, buddy.
Want to give him a pet? Good job.
He
Best
likes
friends
you.
already.
Hello? You ready? Oi. I'm gonna laugh again, okay? Oh.
Oh my gosh, look at that. He's sitting right with you. He likes your arm. Be gentle, sweetie. Wow, big hug.
Oh, look at him. He's finding every crumb.
You sharing?
That's so kind, sweetie. Here he goes. Oh, he loves it. Hello.
Oh, he likes it. Play some more. Look at him dance to you. Are you two making music together? Yay, that's so.
Oh, look at that smile. Gentle, yeah. Nice and gentle. He loves it. Oh, good job, sweetheart.
You saying hi? Hello. Gentle, buddy. They're chatting.
Look at him, buddy. That's Mango. Here, Daddy, say hi. Oh, there it is. He said hello. You like him, huh?
Ooh, big kiss.
Look at him. He likes you, buddy. Gentle. Good job. That is the sweetest thing. Look at him, sweetie. Your little friend.
Oh my goodness. You like that, huh?
He thinks you're pretty funny, buddy.
He's saying hi.
Ooh, look at him. Hi, Kiwi. You want to play with the baby? Whoa, fancy spin. He jumped on your shoe. You're friends now.
You're being funny.
You're being really funny.
I love you. Oh, that was a good one.
He's singing. Look at him.
Careful, sweetheart. Wait for the blow.
Ready? Big breath.
He did it.
Ah, good job, buddy.
He's dancing for you. Look at those moves. You like it? He's showing off just for you, buddy.
Ready, Mango? Go get it. Ha! Hee hee! Through the tunnel. Wow, good roll. You got it, buddy. Beep beep. His face.
Where'd you go? He's dancing again.
You are such a show-off, Mango. Sing it.
That's the big finale.
Good job, buddy.
He's coming to you, buddy. Keep going. Whoa, right on your head. Good job, keeping steady. Look at that passenger. Yeah, he's riding with you.
Ready? Step 2. Go, birdie, go. Nice
He's on
climb.
my top stair.
Gentle.
Go ahead, give him your finger.
He kissed me.
So gentle. Good bird.
Oh, he got you again. Chirp, chirp. Whee!
Ready? Hold your arm out, Gentle. Whoa, there you go.
That is so cool.
Good job, you two.
Okay, hold your arm out for him.
Step up.
Nice and steady. Good.
You did it.
Gentle, sweetie. Birdie.
Hey, look who's here, sweetheart. It's your birdie friend. Say hi. Hee hee, that's funny, huh? Almost there it is. Look at that little heart. Good job, buddy.
You see Kiwi? He's saying hi.
I'm ready.
Gentle. There you go.
He tickles.
Yeah, he likes you.
Easy, sweetie. Gentle fingers. That's it. Nice and soft. She likes that, huh? Good job, love.
You're talking back to you?
All right, pal, off the roof. This isn't a perch.
Nah.
Yeah, I heard you, but it's still my car. Buddy, you're blocking traffic? Look, can we just... All right, you win. Stay there.
Where were you at 9 p.m., huh? Talk to me, buddy. Night at 9 p.m. What happened?
It's time for bed. Don't ask any more questions.
Oh, no way!
Dr. Kiwi, what's the verdict today?
Squawk.
Listen to those lungs, huh? He's really taking this seriously.
Squawk.
1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4.
5.
Look who's here. It's Peaches. Say hi, sunshine. You like that? Can you show her again, buddy? Gentle kiss. Good bird.
We got one? Thanks, buddy.
You're welcome.
Crunchy.
He fed you again, Dad.
Best little helper.
He thinks he's a cat. You gonna take that, Willow? Oh, who's braver? Okay, call it a draw.
Birdo, let the birds out. Birdo. Birdo.
Moreno. What does Moreno mean? Oh.
Try.
You wanna try it?
What? I won't listen.
ready, buddy? Got a fat one. Open wide. There, nice catch. Chew it down. Want another? Big mouth again. Good. Last one. Here we go. Yum. Good job, little guy.
Look
The
at him
smart
go.
bird.
Oh, he dropped the latch.
That orange one sounds grumpy.
Still fussing.
What are you up to, Sky? Trying to get that lid? Ooh, almost. There it goes. Pop! Clever bird. Got yourself a treat now, huh? Sweet papaya victory.
Hey, buddy. Ready to ride the waves? Hold on tight. Woo, side to side. Look at you go. You're loving it, huh? Good bird.
Sing it, Mango.